Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning where we are enjoying light winds, lots of sunshine. A little bit chilly to start things off out there this morning, but that will change here in the next couple of hours. We're going to warm up pretty rapidly thanks to some morning sun. Clouds developing during the afternoon hours, though. Once we get to past noon, mostly fair weather clouds. Can't rule out maybe a stray sprinkle right in here, but most of us it'll stay on the dry side. Heading in, and that's because there's a frontal boundary kind of sinking southward and stalling out in our area. That front will kind of stay stalled out north of the Tri-Cities tonight and into tomorrow morning. Maybe still a couple of stray sprinkles out there with that. This front will eventually kind of hang out in northern Nebraska tomorrow during the day as we develop strong southerly winds. They'll be quite breezy tomorrow, maybe even a little windy out there. Out of the south, 12 to 22 miles per hour, gusts to 30 miles per hour. Then we focus out west for our next chance of rain and thunderstorms as those develop late in the day and then push east through the Panhandle and into western Nebraska during the evening hours. Most of us, it'll be a quiet evening out there, just breezy. There's our frontal boundary stalled out right here in northern Nebraska. These could be severe through the evening, but then as they get into central Nebraska later in the night, they should weaken. And eventually we're just talking about a chance of rain and thunderstorms without much of a severe weather threat. But we could still see some of that late night and early Saturday morning activity. Here is 7 a.m. here, maybe still some lingering thunder showers in eastern portions of Nebraska. While the rest of us, we kind of see some clouds stick around early on Saturday. And we're going to see, this is the first of what could be many rounds of rain and thunderstorms as we progress through the weekend into early next week. So there's your risk of severe weather for Friday evening and Friday night. Main chance is going to be out west here. A low wind marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5 risk for some large hail and damaging wind gusts. And then Saturday, late in the day into Saturday night, another round comes in, but this chance a little bit better farther to the east, so we're going to throw in a marginal risk of severe storms. This is from the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma. They put these out. Again, wind and hail look to be the primary threats. Now, as we look down the road here, we'll get to that in just a bit, actually. Temperatures for today, topping out in the mid to upper 70s and lower 80s. So after a chilly morning, warming up pretty rapidly out there on our way to a near average day for this afternoon for high temperatures. Tonight, not as cold, upper 40s and low to mid 50s for the most part. And then for tomorrow, maybe one of our warmest days of the forecast. And now remember that frontal boundary that's stalled out in northern Nebraska, so just a touch cooler near the South Dakota border in the 70s. But otherwise, most of us will see lower to mid 80s, maybe a few upper 70s out there tomorrow afternoon. Heading into tomorrow night, fairly mild, 50s and lower 60s. And then your Saturday, looking at a blend of 70s and 80s with your warmer temperatures in the southwest. Now, as we look at the long range here, we again have several chances of rain and thunderstorms returning. Again, that first chance Friday night. For the Tri-Cities, more than likely not until after midnight. Slight chance during the day, but then another better chance coming in Saturday night into Sunday morning. And again, as we look down the road, several off and on chances of rain and thunderstorms through at least the middle of next week. Most of this will come during the evening and overnight hours with smaller chances during the day, but can't rule out some activity during the daytime hours. And your temperatures are going to start to come down to below average, really. Most of next week, it looks like a below average forecast in store for high temperatures. So no summertime heat anytime soon. Really the hottest days, if you want to call it hot, which it won't really be hot, those will be the next 3 days. So quite warm but not hot. But some pretty cool days ahead of us here, especially by next Wednesday. So look at the couple of long-range forecast models. This is the European model, and you'll just notice how things turn more active. Plenty of nighttime chances. There's Friday night and Saturday morning, another round Saturday evening and Saturday night, another round Sunday night and a Monday morning, another round Tuesday night or Monday night and a Tuesday morning, and then another round yet Tuesday night and a Wednesday morning, and maybe again Wednesday into Wednesday night. Maybe not as much of a chance towards the end of next week. The GFS model is a little different. Again, a lot of this is going to play out day to day. What happens the day before will determine how things play out the next day. But again, Friday night to Saturday morning, there's our first chance there. And then here's our next chance coming in Saturday night into Sunday morning. Another chance Sunday night into Monday morning. Another chance Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then another chance Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Maybe not as much of a chance there for Thursday, but maybe another chance Thursday night. We'll see here down the road. But it does look like some good moisture could be on the way. Take this map with a grain of salt. Don't look at your place and say, that's how much rain we're going to get. Because like I said, the finer details of this forecast are a little more iffy. But there are going to be several. Basically, I'm showing this map to just show you that there are going to be many chances of rain in our future. Overall, most places will probably end up picking up at least an inch of rain. And many places could get more than that over the next 7 days. So this would be some great news for our area, which still needs plenty of rainfall. A real quick look, and this will be updated here at the bottom of the hour here at 7:30 this morning. This is the latest drought monitor from last week. The new update should show some changes with the rain that we've had over the last 7 days, especially up north. I think those areas, the drought situation will be a little bit better out there. So this will come out at 7:30 this morning, which is about 13 minutes from the time of this recording right now. We should see some changes, and of course with all the rain coming in the week ahead, we'll see probably even more changes down the road. And it does help that we're not getting big time summer heat either. That can oftentimes worsen drought situations here. One last graphic I want to show you real quick here, and that is that 10-day high temperature forecast. And you see outside of the next 3 days, a lot of below average ahead of us until maybe next Saturday, June 11th. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. I will see you all again Friday. Until then, take care. God bless. Bye.